Good morning, my beautiful angels. So in today's video I'm going to be playing around, well, I'm not going to be playing around, I'm going to be doing the dip nails. I got these Nicole diary from my my AliExpress. That's my favourite place at the moment. So there's this gorgeous pink, it is this one, and then this silver, which is that one. I've already put tips on, I've buffed them. I need my dehydrator. Where did that go? Here. So you see, I was going to do a video testing it out, but my luck is so bad that I knew I was going to mess it up. So I used my brain and practiced on my non-dominant hand, and I think I did really well. Pat on the back to me. So I've actually found something that I think personally I'm quite good at. So there's my nails. I think they're okay. I like them anyway. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I've got this Nails Ultra Bond Acid Primer. So I'm going to put my hand in shot and then just use a small amount of this just on my natural nail. I leave that to dry for a little while, and then I'll put another coat and start dipping. I watched a few videos, so personally I think I'm a professional now. No, I'm not, but I watched a few videos, and there was this guy, I'm not sure obviously where he's from because you couldn't see his face, but he did a great job. He did an ombre, which is a bit too adventurous for me, so I'm just going to do what I've done on here. So these four all pink, and then this one the silver, and then I got some water decals that I put on my nail. So it's a silver butterfly, and then with these two I've done half butterflies, so when they touch they're one, and then I put these iridescent butterflies. I was very creative last night. Okay, so I reckon that is dried now. Did I do one coat or two? I can't remember. We'll go for another coat. Okay, so there's that. And you know, I hate the smell of this stuff. It's disgusting, but it does a great job. Okay, I think I've got it on my skin because I can feel a little bit of burning going on. Have I got a cut? Okay, so I will do the pink first. So I open this little, I don't think it's even got a number or a name on it. No. Nicole diary. It's just a beautiful baby pink. I was quite gutted at how small these pots actually are, but it is what it is. Okay, so I've got this Nicole Diary base. Now these smell like just regular glue. Yeah, just smells of glue. So what I'm going to do is, where the tip and my nail sort of meet, I'm just going to do like a thin line across, just to build some strength up on all of my nails. I need a pot or something to put this in because I know I'm going to spill it. Okay, I'll just put it on this pot lid. Okay, so you just want to even coat. And then dip it in. Shake off the excess. So I'm going to do that on all my fingers. Why am I so out of shot today? What is this? And I sort of like go up and down so it covers it. Tap it. And then do my thumb. Okay, so that's all them done. Then I'm going to dust off okay, this is a bit rubbish because it's not getting into them little bits. Let me find a brush. 1 second. Okay, I found this like old brush. Okay, so that's dry. Now again with the base, okay, let me maybe zoom you in a bit if I can do that. There we go, that's better. Okay, so I'm going to paint down my nail like three quarters of the way. Give it a dip, dip, dip. Tap off. I'm not good with this. Can't get me in shot. I'm so dumb. and you want to do like an even coat. Make sure you get into the little wall. God, I can't do this. I'm so bad at getting in shot. Maybe I should zoom you out a little. I think that's a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on all of my nails. Oh no, the dustbin man's coming. I'm going to make so much noise. Okay, I'll finish these off. When I've done this, I'll stop recording, wait until they've gone because they're going to make so much noise. And then I'll be back on. So this stuff I think is just glue, to be honest. I'll put my thumb in. Okay. That's what they look like so far. So I'm going to wait for the dustbin men to go and I will be back.